Okay, last time we left off with getting what looks to be actual data. Yeah, there's something. And this time, the first thing I'd like to do is I'd like to try to actually view that as an image. I think the way I want to do that initially, so eventually what we want to do is we want to be rendering this through FFmpeg or encoding it through FFmpeg, which I don't know what that'll involve. I'm sure it'll be a massive pain in the neck, but first thing I want to try and do is get it working with STB. Or STB image in particular. Yeah, here we go. Image writer, yeah. This looks like depth. Yeah, so we're gonna try this. I think I'm just gonna call this function, see what happens. Okay, thank you, GitHub. So let's just download that. We'll bring it over here. Downloads STB image, right? I'll bring that in here. And what we're gonna do, it's up a bit higher. Yeah, here it is. What we're gonna do is instead of doing all this, and I guess instead of doing that, we're gonna call this function, which is stbi write png. Or maybe we'll do the JPEG, I don't know. I wonder what comp is. Interesting, they don't all need the stride. I don't know if PNG separates out the layers, or not the layers, the bit depths. It might, I can't remember. PNG has a lot of nonsense in its format. It's been a while since I've read it. Let's just try BMP. I don't know what comp is, but this looks pretty simple. Let's try that. What is it, write BMP? It returns a thing. File name, geom, well, I presume it's width and height. Yeah. Geom width, geom height. And then comp we need to figure out, and then the last one. What's it called? Get image data. Fair enough. Okay, what is comp? Oh, and we also need to I don't need any of that. Yeah, this one. STB image write implementation. And we'll include STB image write. That'll probably be enough. Okay, noted. Okay, yeah, so these are basically the thing. Okay, cool. They use an arbitrary write. Yeah, I don't care. Okay. Yeah, this is a bit silly. We still need to figure out what comp is. Uh-huh. Okay. Little unorthodox. Here we go. Each pixel contains comp channels of data. Well, I think 4. That might be all we need. I don't know. Duplicate symbol. Interesting. STB is included? I guess. I guess we don't need this then. Warning, 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 warning. Yeah, warnings. Okay, I guess STB is included. Mike's got a little close. Something like that. I mean, what does it look like? Okay, I mean, that's plausible. A lot of 90s. Just doesn't look great. Yeah, depth is 32. I don't think I have an image viewer, that's the thing. Do I have Emacs? I do. No, we're not doing that. I have Zathura. I don't think it'll be able to. Yeah, I don't think so. I have Firefox as well. But we don't need to see whatever nonsense is in my downloads folder, which is the only folder it has access to. Am I really going to install one? That seems a bit silly. That I don't have one. I don't even have that. Oh, do I have Fe? Whoops. Fe. I do not. Damn. Okay, that's fine. I don't know. I think I have that. We'll find out. Let's go to build, git clone that. Whoops. That. Yeah, okay. Interesting. I'm running a current build of okay, JPEG's installed, it's just not whatever JPEG 71 is. But yeah, I'm running a current branch of OpenBSD. Yeah, okay. And it looks like I'm in a wee bit of an inconsistent state. Okay, we don't really need to see this. Do I really not have an image viewer? Like, that's kind of dumb. Oh, it's updating Firefox now. Very good. I guess we're gonna use Firefox. Oh, Ghostscript. I wonder if Ghostscript can view it. I doubt it because it's a BMP, but you never know. Yeah, I don't think so. All right. I guess we're gonna take a quick break while I get an image viewer, and then. Okay, we're back again. I installed an image viewer, and I also did a little test on. Well, I'll explain the test in a moment. So if we open up this, wow, that is very close to being accurate. You will notice a blue line here, should be red. These colors are all a little bit off. They seem to be bluish instead of reddish. And this kind of greenish down here is a bit off as well. It looks like the blue and red channels have been swapped. I guess they're just in different formats, I suppose. Whoa. Similar thing in Firefox. This all looks pretty good because it's mainly black and white, but up here in the top corner, you can see the badge there, which should be, that's the real one, should be red, and that's the screenshot, which is purple. Oh, reddish. And the test that I did is that the first time I ran this, so, okay, let's delete these. RM, Alacritty, Mozilla Firefox. Okay, no screenshots, and if I run it, we get one screenshot, but it's only of Alacritty. Interesting that there's a big box there. Oh, I guess that's because I launched the window. That's kind of interesting, but okay. It's only of Alacritty. I hypothesize it's because it's displayed. So if we run this again, but swap over here and then go back, we get one of Mozilla Firefox. We can see these times are different. And we can look at Mozilla. So that's an interesting little factoid. I don't know. I remember reading somewhere that it's not until the program is mapped that you're able to get any data in this off-screen or whatever it's called, off-screen buffer, whatever it is, the PixMap. That's kind of interesting, but we recall last time, like if we don't write through STB, but instead just write, yeah, we got nothing there. Wow, we need to rebuild. Oh, okay. No, I'm misremembering. We only get the active window. That's interesting. Right, I guess this comes back null, I suppose. Null. Gasp. Yeah, Firefox, null. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so I can guess the image data doesn't exist, question mark, but that's fine. I wonder if it would exist if we, what would we have to do? I guess we could test this. Did we delete them all? Nope. And we've got STB. We could test this by adding a sleep before we do all that, which happens somewhere. It happens down here. So let's just add a. No, that wouldn't work because we need to create the link between the PixMap and the window before. Well, we need to do that before the link exists.